In this video, we will explore some basics of names, variables, and constants in Maple. A name in Maple is usually a letter followed by more letters or digits. You can see the name help page for the exact rules for creating a name. Note that names are case sensitive. In other words, x and capital X are two different things, and they do not add up to 2x, but this does. A name can be used as a variable that is assigned a value. For example, x can be assigned 1 using column equals, and x will show up in the variable manager in the left panel. Recall that equations are written out using the equal sign, so y would not show up in the variable manager. Special names in Maple hold fixed values that cannot be changed. For example, capital Pi is a mathematical constant, and capital I is the imaginary unit. Be careful with capitalizing the two, since lowercase pi represents the Greek letter, and lowercase I is often used as an index name in loops. Lastly, the exponential e is obtained by either using the exponential function evaluated at 1 or by entering from the common symbols palette. Notice that this is displayed differently from the name e, which is a normal variable that you can assign a value to and is not a special name. In this video, we looked at how names and variables differ from one another and how special names can be used as a shortcut.